Today I'm going to show you how to remove the line break in Excel using a clean function and substitute function. To use clean function, type cl clean, select the cells, close parenthesis, hit enter. There you go. Using a substitute, type substitute, and then select the cells, and then for line break you need to type car 10, or you can type a 13.2 and a comma, and then if you want to replace with any symbol or anything, you can type in like inside the inverted comma. Like in this case I'm gonna put the in-person, close parenthesis. There you go. Now if you don't want to put any symbols or anything, you can just remove that ampersand and then hit enter. There you go. Thank you for watching.